Here's how to convert to HEIF. That's that Apple kind of compressed image format. So I use an app that I created called ConvertSave. You can find it at convertsave.com or check out the link in the description down below. All you have to do is select whatever photos you want, drag them into ConvertSave, and then select your output. And so HEIF is going to be down here a little bit. It's a less common format, I would say, to be converting to, but you can do it. We hit convert, it converts all of these different images and then saves them right next to where they came from. So HEIF is basically the same file or photo type as HEIC. So those are going to pretty much work the same for you. Now, if you're trying to convert HEIF or HEIC back to a different format or to JPEG or something, this does that too. So we could grab, I'll grab this HEIF and this HEIC right here. Try to grab them both. I can't for some reason. Okay, I don't know why I couldn't, but we drag those over and then we can select JPEG and just convert them, right? So that converts from HEIF or HEIC to JPEG as well, depending on which way you're trying to convert these things. So I created this app with my brother, and I was pretty much just sick of going to random websites to do all my file conversions. It does image, video, and audio conversions. So a ton, actually it's like hundreds of file conversions, and it's easy as dragging and dropping, converting, and then it saves it. This works offline as well, so it doesn't upload your files anywhere. It just works on your computer, Windows and Mac. So hopefully you find that useful. That's how I convert to HEIF if I need to. I'll see you guys in the next one. I appreciate your support.